So, hello everyone. Today we are going to look at some of the problem from logarithm. So, our first problem is it is given a square plus b square. Then we have to prove this. So, given that a square plus b square equal to c square, and we have to prove this one. So, let us write. First of all, as we know, log a with base b is equal to log a upon log b, and here both having natural base e or anything is possible, 2 3 5. So in similar way we will write this equation. So we can write log a upon log b plus c plus log a upon log c minus b equal to 2 log a upon log c plus b into log a upon log c minus b. Okay, taking common log a, taking the denominator, we can write log b plus c c. Here it is log c minus b plus log c plus of this one is now it is log a plus a plus b. So we can write log a plus b equal to log a into log b log c minus b into what is there, c minus b into c plus b equal to log a, and outside it is 2, and better to write it as log a square. Now LHS equal to log c square minus b square, and it is given that a square plus b square equal to c square, and that we can write c square minus b square equal to a square. Hence LHS can be written as log a square, which is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Second question, it is given x equal to 1 plus log bc with base a, and in similar fashion is written for yz. Okay, so let's write for only x equal to 1 of bc with b, and manipulate and write 1 plus bc log a. Similarly, as explained in previous question, and this can be written as that log c equal to log a bc upon log a. Similarly, we can write y equal to log a b c upon b, and log b, and z equal to log ABC upon log C. Now coming to question, we have to prove LHS equal to X, Y, Z. It can be written in cyclic form like X, and this is replacing the value of X, we can write log ABC upon log A. So multiplying the XYZ, it is equal to log A log B log C, and in numerator it is log ABC whole to the power 3. Now RHS is equal to summation of xy, and it is equal to summation of x, replacing the value of x, it is log ABC upon log A into log ABC upon log B, that equal to summation of log A log B, and it is log ABC whole square. Breaking this summation, we can write log A log B log C and log ABC whole square will be common in each of the three terms, and in the first term log C is missing, so we can write log C plus A plus B. Log A plus log B is equal to log ABC, and the finally A of log A log, so sorry, it click for common question. So what we will do, we will assume this value is equal to k, as we do in most of the form. So let's assume log, we will not write e, it is known that it is e here, log e b minus c equal to log, not writing e, okay, c minus a is equal to log c upon a minus b is equal to k. Now comparing these two terms, we can write log a is equal to k times of b minus c, or manipulating it, we can write e to the power k into b minus c is equal to a. Okay, similarly we can write b is equal to e to the power k c minus a, because here you can see it is c minus a, and c is equal to e to the power k a minus b, because it is here, as you can see. Now our question, LHS equal to multiple of, it is also in cyclic form, so we can use this symbol a to the power b plus c, and that is equal to a. What is value of a? This one. So e k b minus c into b plus c, which is equal to e k b square minus c square. Now breaking this multiple, we can write e to the power k b square minus c square, sorry, one sec, yeah, plus a square, once again it will be c square minus a square plus a square minus b square. You can also check by detailed solution considering each of the terms, and this is equal to e to the power k into 0, and this is equal to 1, which is equal to RHS. Hence it is proved. Now coming to next question, as you can see, it is a good question, moderate question. So it is also in cyclic form, but there are pairs of equation. So consider this term and this term. So given a raised to x equal to b, from definition of logarithm we can write log b with base a is equal to x. And now considering this second equation, we can write x equal to log a raised to k1 with base b is equal to k1 multiplying this term into log a with base b. Okay, or also we can write k1 by log a, replacing the position of a and b, we can write this one. And from 1 we can see that the log a with base b is x, so it can be written as k1 upon x. And from here we can write k1 equal to x square, and similarly we can write k2 equal to y square, k3 equal to z square. Hence the value of k1, k2, k3 is equal to x, y, z whole square. This is simple question. Now coming to next question, it is logarithmic equation. So 3x log 5 plus 2 log 5x equal to 64. As you can see, there is x in the power of 2, so we will replace by the property of logarithm these two terms, and we can write 3x log 5 plus 2 log 5x. Oh, sorry, we have to replace it, so it is x log 5 equal to 64. And now you can see this term is similar as this term, so we can write 4 times of x to the power log 5 is equal to 64, and cancelling this we will get 16. So what we can write, x log 5 equal to 2 raised to power 4, taking log both side, and we can write log 5 log x equal to 4 log 2. Okay, now taking this term here, we can write log x equal to 4 times of log 2 upon log 2 upon log 2 with base 5 can be written as log 2 upon log 5. So log 2 upon log 5, cancelling this term. So next we get log x is equal to 4 times of log 5, or it can be written as log 5 raised to power 4, which is 625. Hence our answer is value of x is 625 by comparing these two values. Okay, now this is very good question. So it is also logarithmic equation. You have to find the value of x. So start with this one. So 6 upon 5 a raised to power, and now splitting this in form of log x upon log a upon log 10, log 5 upon log a. So rewriting that, log x upon log a into log a upon log 10 into log 5 upon log a. Here cancelling log a with log a, and it is okay, remains same, is equal to taking this term to right hand side, and now first of all manipulating this term. So we can write 3 raised to power 2 into, this can be written as 10 square, and a square in the base can be converted to 1 by 2 log 10x, and similarly it can be written as 1 by 2 times of log 2 with base 2, which is 1. So this 2 is cancelled with these two both, and now this term is taken here in the right hand side. It is written as log 3 log 10x upon 10. Okay, so 6 upon 5 a, and now what we can write, log ax, and it is log 10 5. And now we can see that we can replace these two terms by the formula. Okay, and here it is 3 raised to power log this one plus 1, and it is 3 log 10x minus 1. Okay, we can write it. Cool. Okay, that's give 6 5, and replacing this, so it will be 1, and this is finally log 10 5. And this is equal to 3 times of log it is 3 times of 3 raised to power log 10x plus 3 times of log 10x upon 3, and it can be written as 10 upon 3 into 10 upon 3 into 3 to the power log 10x. Okay, next step is replacing this again. So what we can write, 6 upon 5 into taking that from this side, 3 upon 10 into this term we have taken in left hand side. Okay, 5 raised to power log 10x is equal to 3 raised to power log 10x. Okay, now 2 and it is 5, sorry, it is 3 and it is 5, cancelling with 2 both term. So this can be written as 3 by 5 raised to 2 is equal to 3 by 5 raised to log 10s, log 10x. With comparing, we can say that log 10x is equal to 2 or x equal to 100. So this one was good question, and hope you understand that. So thank you. We will meet in next